Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Yes, I was kind of going through some personal stuff, but yeah, without any further ado, let's dive straight into my dashboard. Let me show you guys how my past 2 weeks has been. Let's go. As you can tell by the curve, it hasn't been very good weeks, I would say. Especially last week. Last week was like, I don't even know what I was doing, but yeah, I'm hoping to bounce back next week. Because last week I was going through some personal stuff and it kind of affected my trading a little bit. But I think I'm in the right mindset now. Everything is okay. So moving into next week, I'm expecting like to have a very good week. Like not as in taking good trades, but like not let my emotions dictate my trades in general. That's what I meant. Yeah. As you can tell by the dashboard, this account keeps going down and down. Yes, but there is still hope for it because I still have like a long way to blow the account. So I'm not that worried. Yeah. So yeah, this account is down like $217. Yes, which is not bad. It's recoverable. And then as you can see, the balance is here, which is $4,782. The equity $4,782 because I don't have any running trades at the moment, so yeah. I think that's all to show here on the dashboard. Yes, just the equity curve, but the balance curve, and then you can see it here. So moving on into the trading overview, this is where things got messy, or things will get messy. Because as you can see, this account is now down like 4% from 2 point something percent up to 4.85% down. Like, so it's like I'm down approximately 1.6% or 1.7%. I can't tell exactly. But yeah, just the last 2 weeks, I meant, not the whole account. Yes. It's not bad if you ask me. It's recoverable and I know I can do it. Yeah. I have like belief in my strategy, and then if my emotions does not get in the way, I think it will be a good one. Overall, I've been improving. Yeah, I can tell, but it's not yet reflecting on the numbers. But if I keep doing what I'm doing, very soon the numbers too will start to change. Yeah. I think that's all for the account. Nothing much. I wish I could show you guys the trade I took, but as I said, I was dealing with some personal stuff, so journaling too was hard for me, and more to the point because they were irrational losses. So it pained me a lot. I'm like, the team paid me. Yeah. But there's nothing I can do about it, and just have to keep moving. Yeah, hoping to bounce back. I already said that already. I said that already. So yeah. So I want to show you guys what I'm planning, or my plan for next week. My analysis, because I did not record the trades I took the past 2 weeks. So yeah. Let's give it a little time. There we go. Yeah. I hope you all can see my chart very well. Let me quickly get rid of this indicator and then let's dive into the video. Yes. Yes. So this is Euro USD on the daily chart, by the way. If most of you guys doesn't know, I trade Euro USD mostly. I used to trade only Euro USD when I was day trading bets. Like I started trading a couple of other pairs too because ever since I started swing trading, yeah. So this is Euro USD on the daily time frame, and as you can see, price is trending to the upside. This is like a bullish market. It's like this being the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I am expecting price to like form another higher low before another higher high. Yeah, that's my expectation. And zooming in into the recent price action, I can clearly see that last 2 weeks price has broke structure to the upside here, and then after a break of structure, we are all expecting what, a pullback to the downside. So yeah, I'm also expecting the pullback, and then it's like the pullback is about to start because the daily fractal has switched from bullish sentiment to bearish sentiment. So with this now being the strong fractal high and then this being the weak fractal low, so like I am expecting price to just pull back into the supply zone here, give me the confirmation I want to see before I take a short trade to the downside to target this lower low. Yes. I think that's all in the daily time frame because like I don't want to turn this video into a long one. So moving into the 4-hour time frame, yes, let me quickly zoom out. As we can see here, the 4-hour 2 is bullish with a swing break or structure here. I consider this one as an internal structure because like here this place was the last swing break or structure, so after that break or structure, this place was the strong swing high that I was expecting to get broken before I'll say that this market has now switched from bullish to bearish to bullish, sorry. Yeah, and price has done that, so I am now viewing this market as a bullish market, but here is not my swing structure. I'm only considering it as internal structure. So swing structure is bullish, the internal too is still bullish, by the way, because I only map candle closure, and then there is only a weak break here. Price just weak through the strong internal low, so I am not considering this as an internal break or structure to the downside. The only positive in this chart is the fractal 4-hour fractal is bearish, which can easily hold. So I'm expecting price to pull back into this supply zone, and then if I get the confirmation I want to see, then I'll now target this lower low here. That means I'll take a short trade here and target this lower low here. That's if I get the confirmation that I want to see. There's no need to go down into the 1-hour time frame, which is where I take my trades, because price is still sitting right here, so I'm expecting it like a little further upside movement into the supply zone before like um another movement to the downside again, if that makes sense. Yes. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys take some value from it, and then please guys, this is a new channel. I'll really appreciate it if you guys help me grow by subscribing to the channel and also like liking this video so that other people will also be able to see it and share. Yeah. I guess this is the end of the video, guys. Cheers.